Your client opens a link, types their name and phone number, hits book, done, no account, no registration, no app to download. They're booked, and they'll get a confirmation in Telegram in seconds. Most small service businesses run on a combination of Excel, WhatsApp chats, and paper notebooks. It works until it doesn't. Double bookings, forgotten follow-ups, no idea who your best clients are. And every booking platform out there takes a cut of your revenue and owns your client data. This is Pronto, a business management platform built for service businesses, salons, barbershops, auto repair shops, cafes, dental clinics. One system for everything: POS, CRM, inventory, appointment booking, and automated notifications. Your clients book directly with you, no middleman, zero commission. You sign up at trypronto.app and you get your own subdomain, something like openyoga.trypronto.app. No setup, no server, no technical knowledge required. You're ready to take bookings in minutes. Let's walk through it. Your client gets a booking link, put it in your Instagram bio, send it in WhatsApp, add it to your website. They pick a service, choose a time slot, enter their name and phone number, and book. No account required. Seconds later, a confirmation message hits their Telegram. And 24 hours before the appointment, an automatic reminder. No manual work on your end. Now let's say the client is here. You open the POS, select the service, find the client, choose payment method, cash, card, or transfer. 3 clicks and the sale is recorded. The client's visit history updates automatically. Every client has a card, full visit history, notes, tags. You can see at a glance who your regulars are, what services they prefer, and when they last came in. If someone hasn't visited in 30 days, Pronto can send them an automatic reactivation message. Inventory is built in. Track your supplies, set minimum stock levels. When you're running low on a product, you get an alert before you run out, not after. Notifications go out automatically across Telegram, WhatsApp, Viber, and email. You connect your own accounts in settings. It takes about 5 minutes, and messaging costs you nothing. Pronto is free to start. The free plan covers 1 staff member and up to 100 clients, enough to see if it works for your business. Paid plans start at $19 a month and unlock more staff, more clients, and all notification channels. And if you're technical and prefer to run everything on your own server, Pronto is fully open source. The link to the GitHub repository is in the description. Sign up free at trypronto.app. The link is below.